Hello, I'm Kazu. In this video, I'm going to introduce year-end home cooking. We go back to my wife's parents' house in Gifu every year. This year, we had a heavy snowfall at the end of the year. Relatives gathered to eat crab and pufferfish hot pot. Ingredients are seaweeds, broth, and add lots of vegetables. Crab and pufferfish are high-class foods, so we look forward to them. Finally, I would like you to watch Japanese home cooking.
最悪なやつや。あ、どうぞ。じゃあ登録してくれます？後で外国人ターゲットに作ってて。わあ、フグっぽい。ドラえもんだ。映らないようにしてますしね。大丈夫ですよ。すみません。